Hello everybody, my name is April. Welcome to my channel, and I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree this week a few times and I did a few different crafts on YouTube, Dollar Tree crafts on YouTube. So I needed to get some Dollar Tree stuff. And I wanted to share with you what I had gotten. I purchased another candy jar. Hopefully you watched my other video for Thanksgiving. It was a smaller candy jar. This is a little bit bigger candy jar. And I purchased that at Dollar Tree. These guys, I don't know if you've seen them yet, but they have them at my Dollar Tree. They're miniatures. It says Santa, I want to say, and two carolers, and then lights with the seat. Super cute. Snowman with a guy shoveling with his son and another little girl. These are all miniatures. I got some LED light set, and they had the miniature trees. I got some hold on. I got some glitter drape. Also purchased this little paddle cutting board. I'm going to do a project with this. I got, here's another one of these with also another tree. So I'm going to make a couple different Christmas gifts with that. I got a wreath, a wired wreath. See, I got some of these plastic wine glasses, some snowflakes. I got some burlap ribbon with lace on the middle of it. See, I got some garland. Let's see, I got some little packages. I got the snowman mailbox. I'm gonna make a craft with that. I got some deco mesh and some glitter tulle. Let's see, I got a Santa ornament. All this is for crafts I will be doing on YouTube. I purchased this guy. A few of these little teeny ornaments, decorative ornaments. And these are new. I haven't seen at Dollar Tree before, but these are, I will be doing a project, organizational project with these for my bathroom. Stay tuned to that project I'll be doing online. Let's see, I got some so you can decorate ornaments. So I'm going to decorate these. I have a project for that. Let's see. I found these decorative words, metal words. And I found, check these out. I don't know if y'all have seen them, but they're wood. They have a loop at the top. I got 3 of these. I plan on doing a project with them. I don't know if y'all have seen this. Isn't that cute? Pom-pom thing. I got some craft popsicle sticks, 3 pumpkins. I plan on doing 3 of these styrofoam pumpkins. I plan on doing a project with these pumpkins. Let's see. I got some faux snow. I got, look, they had some bells. I might make a bracelet with these bells. Let's see, I got these stickers. I gotta pull all my Christmas stuff down. I'm gonna make something with these tower tumblers. It's a 36 blocks piece. A project plan for that. Let's see, I got 2 of these candle holder things. And last but not, oh, I got some, I don't know if you can see, but it's paint, but it's like glitter paint. And I got this. This is cute. This is for my planner. This is actually for my happy planner. It's a little, it's the baggie. It's for my mini happy planner. But it has little stickers. This is perfect for my mini happy planner. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the right holes for it, so that I can use it in my mini happy planner that I take on the road. Not on the road, I don't go anywhere, but it holds all my notes, doctors, and my husband's doctors, and any project ideas, anything I can think of, it holds. So I think that's all I got this week. Wait a minute. I think that's all I got, which was a lot. I think it's a lot. I did get, which I had already showed y'all, that project. I did get a few other things, but I had already used them in the earlier project. So you'll see what else I got prior to that, what the candy and the jar and a lot, what else, the turkey. It was like $5 product. So that's all I have for you today. So stay tuned. I will be doing some crafting videos online. So don't forget to subscribe. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.